Hey. There's some serious drop off there, and I don't have a roll cage in this, so you know what, I'm getting a little bit too hype. I'm about to calm down before I mean, this is just a stock ass E21 with stock everything, and I'm trying to like push it, and I'm like, you know what, I'm getting more comfortable, I'm feeling good, but the room for error is, woo, I don't know if I want to risk going off into one of those ditches. Ah man, I need to try to get some flyby shots, but it's kind of hard to do that when I'm out here by myself. Oh man. Plus I also have to calculate for if other people are coming. Yeah, I gotta come back and do this with someone else. fucking shifter's so sloppy, it's kind of hard to find it. Way too much fun. Oh my god. How are the cameras? Are the cameras okay? Oh my god. This thing's still, oh, that thing's still on, but it's muddy as hell. Okay. All right. All right, she's still running. I'm not off in the ditch. Oh wow, holy crap, the rocks tore the plastic mud flap up. I knew those weren't gonna last because you're hard plastic. Now I gotta buy new ones. Oh, I thought I had those lights on. Oh shit, those lights are not working? Huh, interesting. On? Yeah. All right, well, I guess I broke those lights. So they weren't on, but I don't know if I blew a bulb or I shook a connector loose. So this is where I go back to the residential, so I'm chilling right here. My adrenaline is pumping. That was just way too much fun. Sketchy. I don't recommend you guys doing it, because I almost went off twice there. All right, gotta get the thumbnail. That needs to be fixed as well. So I wore these shoes because I know I was gonna be out here in the dirt. Oh my god, that was way too much fun. I wish I had a crew of at least. I need to like come out here with like another car with like 3 to 4 people. I'm out here by myself, and I don't have anyone to radio, see if traffic's coming, anyone to record from the outside. I mean, I could do an outside record, but I would have to then place the camera, leave, try to match what I was doing and come back, and that just gets super complicated. The main thing is like being out here not knowing if there's traffic coming. There's not usually a lot of traffic on these roads, but you never know, be that one time someone's coming around that blind corner. So that's why I did it early in the morning. I figure earlier in the morning, like less traffic. Just like when I do my tollgate road runs, you know, like I try to do everything when I calculate for least traffic, because I'm doing it by myself and I still have to be safe. This right here is why most of the times I end up not recording. I have this new camera, so I'm trying to, oh shit, I could have went and did that pass. Nah, I'm not gonna get greedy. I'll come back and do that a different day. That's another route going that way, but it's not as narrow and technical as that one. But where was I? Yeah, like I was saying, yeah, I typically don't record because it takes away from the fun. Like, I'm having fun right there, but I'm still, so I'm trying to do 3 things I want when I record, which is what I hate. 1, I need to have fun, but 2, I also have to be safe, because, you know, it's not a, you know what, I'm not even gonna say it. I was on a closed course. So I already have those 2 to factor in, so that already takes away a little bit from the fun, because you have to be cautious. But then when you have to factor in a 3rd thing of trying to edit in your head as you drive, and you're trying to, you know, think about making sure you're recording good, then it takes even more away from the fun. And that's why I'm so not encouraged to make videos. I don't have the desire to make videos like most YouTubers do, vlogs. The only desire I have to make driving videos, and then the whole point of making the driving videos because I love doing it. But then if I'm taken away from that, you know, I get kind of like, I don't really want to do it. But anyway, I hope this footage is good enough. You know, like I was trying to say earlier, I think I cut myself off. I'm mainly trying to record something because I have the 360 camera, so which is kind of cool. I like it. That kind of like encourages me to try to record again. But most important than that, I had a freaking blast. I had a blast. All right, well, just gonna go ahead and sign off right now and turn everything off.